In question number 1, we're multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. In yellow, the factor 3x is multiplied first by the green factor 3x to the third. This results in 9x to the fourth power. Next, 3x times 3x squared results in 9x to the third power. Last, 3x times negative 21x results in negative 63x squared. Now, since each of these three terms have the same variable but different degrees, there are no like terms to combine here. This is simplest standard form. In the second expression, we need to combine like terms. Look out for the subtraction sitting in front of the trinomial in parentheses. In green, an a squared minus a 2a squared results in a negative 1a squared. Next in blue, we have positive 5a and we subtract negative 4a. A positive 5a minus a negative 4a results in a positive 9a. Last, in yellow, we have negative 3 minus 3. A negative 3 minus a positive 3 is the same as negative 6. Our standard form expression will be negative a squared plus 9a minus 6. The third expression asks us to write in standard form. Be careful, this exponent of 2 means take the entire quantity x plus 3 and multiply it by the entire quantity x plus 3. We have a result of two binomials that must be multiplied. In yellow, we take the first term of the first binomial and multiply it by each term in the second binomial. This gives us x squared plus 3x. Then in green, we take the second term and multiply it by both terms in the second binomial. This will give us another 3x plus 9. We do have some like terms here that we can combine. We can combine any terms with the same variable and the same degree. This will give us x squared plus 6x plus 9. The final question shows us that we're to find the total area of the two rooms to be carpeted. Since they're both rectangles, we'll look at each of them separately. Starting on the left in yellow, we have a rectangular room with a length and width of x and x plus 3. Since the area of a rectangle is length times width, we will multiply these two polynomials. I have an x times an x plus 3. This results in an x squared plus 3x. The second room is also a rectangle. The length and the width are x minus 2 and x plus 5. Again, since the area of a rectangle is length times width, we'll multiply these two binomials. Starting with the first term, we multiply x times x to get x squared and x times 5 to get 5x. The second term, negative 2, also needs to be multiplied by both terms in the second binomial. A negative 2 times x will give a negative 2x, and a negative 2 times 5 gives a negative 10. Again, we do have some like terms here that can be combined. We have positive 5x and negative 2x. Combined, we should have a simplified expression of x squared plus 3x minus 10. Don't forget to take a second look. The question is asking for the total area, so we'll need to combine the area for the first and second room. When we combine like terms here, we have an x squared and an x squared. Together, that makes 2x squareds. We find that in answer choice B. Then, a positive 3x and a positive 3x makes positive 6x. Last, we have no additional constants other than the negative 10, so there's nothing to combine. The final term in the trinomial will be negative 10, and answer choice B is correct.